Oh, sorry, folks. Welcome to Art of Illusion. Today, we're going to review two of my favorite products from Wish.com. As you know, during this viral epidemic, we are left with very few things we can still actually do, but one of them is order online. So as long as they let us continue to order online, I'm going to give you some of my great value buys that I've come up with. And Wish.com is one of my favorite stores to shop on when it comes to, well, what I call gamble shopping, where you sort of throw it out there and see what comes back. Well, I did get this great value on these little knockoff wireless earbuds. They actually work. They've got really good sound considering the price on Wish.com, only $4. Now, I did have to add $4 in shipping as well, but for a total of $8, these things put out some pretty good sound. And they come in this cute little charging case. You just pop them in just like this, and they'll charge your thing. It's got the little wireless battery, the little battery inside, so the thing is charging right now. Now, all full disclosure, this is my second $8 earbuds that I ordered. The first one I ordered a few months ago. It worked for a while, but the charging port right here ended up breaking free on the inside, so I pulled it all out and I had to kind of rig it together. I could still charge them, but I went ahead and ordered another one so that I could use the charger for both the black pair I got and this new red pair that I got for my girlfriend. So for $8, still a terrific value. And as a safety precaution, I'm just going to leave the adapter cord plugged into this one all the time and not pull it out and in. I think that's where the problem arose. So if you're looking for a great value from Wish.com, check right here and I'll show you where you can get them. Another great product I've got for you today is this little drone. They call it the Phantom 4 clone drone. Now, that is about as far-fetched of an ad as you could imagine. This is definitely no clone of a Phantom 4. But I gotta tell you, I got this in when I got a couple more drones, and so I didn't have much interest in it at first, but I've been flying this thing around. It's got great control, and it's got a terrific little remote. The thing is that I just looked at this, is $21 without the camera on Wish today. You could order this for $21, and for that price, kids would like a great little drone to practice with and learn on. You're not going to beat this little guy right here. It's the Clone Phantom 4, and I'll show you the ad on Wish. So that you guys can get one of these as well. Also, it comes with 3 batteries. These are 3.7 volt, 550 mAh. I got one inside, 2 there. It also comes with a couple of extra props. It comes with guards for the outside. I've taken those off. And I bought the one with the camera as well. However, it seemed a little clunky, a little heavy when I would fly it with the camera. So I pulled the camera off. Flies way better, light like a hummingbird, like I think it should. So I busted this open and I took all the guts out. I took the camera out and I actually adapted my Bugs 3 drone with the camera that used to be in here. And I'll show you all of that on a new video. But right now, let's take this guy outside and let's get flying. Okay, I came out to fly the drone. It's raining. Let's just do it anyway. Here we go. And there you go. Good control. Anyway, for 21 bucks, you can't go wrong. Easy to fly, lots of fun. It's the Phantom 4 clone from Wish. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed 3 wishes. Oh wait, this is just 2 wishes. My 3rd wish is actually right here. It's this precision top, which I got for free. Not really. Of course, there's $3 shipping. Even though you do claim it for free, you still have to pay the $3 shipping. I'm going to go ahead and start this right now and see how long this precision top is going to spin. And go. All right, the timer is started. We'll see how long this precision top spins as I talk about these. $4 plus $4 shipping, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. The little drone is $21 plus $12 shipping without the camera. Or if you want to splurge and get the camera, although the footage is kind of jerky because there's no gimbal or anything like that, but it'll be about $32 or $30 plus $12. So either way, you pretty much can't go wrong with these 2 products. This one, free plus $3 shipping. And the thing about this precision top is it spins indefinitely. It spins for a long time. I mean, let's just wait it out. I didn't even give it a good spin. I think I could go longer. Anyway, if you want to have this kind of fun, all you have to do is hop on wish.com, go to Precision Spinning Top, claim it for free, pay your $3 shipping, and have this thing here in 6 weeks or so. Good times. Thanks for being with us on 3 wishes. Looks like 1 minute 50 seconds. I can do better. Thanks for being with us.